2005 Sea Ray 200 Sport, white with red canvas, tandem axle Sea Ray trailer with brakes and swing away tongue, bimini top. Boat was kept on a lift. We'll be getting an acid wash and clean the bottom up. Swim ladder inside the boat. We have high-low aft jump seats that create a sun pad across the back. Back-to-back driver's seat. Fiberglass floor with snap-out carpeting. Full instrumentation with depth finder. 8-person capacity. Nice roomy open front. Glove box with stereo. Built-in cooler. Passenger back-to-back seat. Gunnel storage. Bimini top. Mercruiser 4.3 liter V6 turnkey start engine. Video with the covers off. Designated anchor storage in the bow.